Hey, this is the VW guy, and today I'm going to show you how to set your maximum charge rate on your Volkswagen ID4 to 80%. Reasons you might want to do this is it does lengthen the battery life on lithium-ion batteries. If you charge them up to 80% versus 100% all the time, can reduce the life of the battery. Otherwise, I mean, if you need to charge it to 100%, it's not the end of the world to go a little bit further. But if you're just driving around town and you don't need that full amount of range, it's recommended that you charge to 80%. So first, you're going to want to turn the key on when you're inside the car. So if you're not already on this screen, you can just tap over here until you get to this screen. So it'll just be this little button there, and then you have charging right here. Now see, it already has this recommended zone. You can slide to 80% right there. Or if you wanted to charge at 100%, you can set it at 100%. See, it says here, optimal charge max is 80% recommended. So we're going to set it to 80%. And that's it. You just go back to your main screen, and you're all good there. I want to thank you for watching this video today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe.